guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lillian coming with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a review on the Revlon Hot Air Kit. Alright, so I wanted to show you my hair texture. I have not been doing henna, so my curl pattern is coming back. So I'm starting on damp hair, and I am just sectioning off my hair so that we can go ahead and get started.
This is low and it has heat. And that's high. Cool for me is just giving me room temperature. It's not like it's blowing cold air, it's blowing room temperature. Let's go ahead and get this cream. Like I said, my hair is already kind of like damp, a little dry, air dried, but it's still a little piece of moisture. Just a little piece of moisture. Let's see, let's test it on this one little strand right here, okay? Let's see. Let's start with cool first. Oh, my hair. I feel like I tried to curl it. We got a little piece of a swirl. It needs help. It needs help. So I already planned for that. I planned for that. I did. You gotta have a plan. I got some rollers, okay? I got some rollers. I got the silk ones. I already planned for these. I planned for support. I planned for that. So we're gonna give it the support. I already planned for this. It's fine. Totally understand. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, you know? Maybe it's my fault. Okay, I already planned for it.
I definitely just got my hair caught in there. So I'm glad that I did not have to cut it. But it is giving us a little bit of a swirl. You just have to really be careful. You have to be careful. I missed a strand. I missed a strand. I'm gonna put some makeup on while I put myself together so I can record the intros and different things to the videos that I recorded today. And hopefully by then I can get my, see, I can't even talk, but maybe when I'm done I can have something to say about this experience here. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I just finished getting ready, putting myself together. I do have some intros I need to record, and this is what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down, and then I'm gonna get into my closing remarks. Alright, so I feel like I'm just playing in my hair at this point. Let's go ahead and get into the Kenra review, and one day I'm speaking it into existence. I'm going to be a hair model collaboration, something with Kenra. Like I really love their product. So this is the Kenra Perfect Blowout cream, and I use this on my hair in all the sections. My hair feels light, flowy. It did cut down the blow dry time, okay, and I do have the blow dry spray, but I use this instead, and this was the only product that I use on my hair, and I am really just loving this, and it is a heat protectant. Let's go ahead and get into the review of the Revlon Hot Air Brush. So I'm not gonna sit here and say that I was not frustrated while I was doing my hair. I had different levels of frustrations happening because my hair was getting caught on here. Just like I imagine a brush is going to have some type of taking your hair, because I can see that there's some hair in here, so I can imagine if I would have got the other one there would be more hair in there because it has more bristles. I'm not upset, it's just that's something, if you are really trying to retain length, that's something to think about. You don't want anything that's going to be, this is high, to me this is a high manipulation situation right here, because we're twisting the hair, we have these bristles on here, you know, there's like these different crevices here that my hair got caught into, and I almost had to cut it, but I didn't. I was able to
maneuver my hair out of that. Also, this does get hot. This plastic gets hot as well, so if you want to change it out of different things like that, you can actually burn yourself, and I did burn myself when I was trying to change that out. And then also, this does not have a thing, so when you're twisting it, this part doesn't really get that hot, but at the same time, I don't know. Also, they're saying that this is ceramic. I don't see how this is ceramic. This looks like regular, I almost cussed, regular metal to me. It does not look like ceramic. It looks like some regular metal to me. Yeah, it does feel very light. If you are concerned with heat damage, I would definitely get a good heat protectant. Like I said, I stand by Kenra, but at the same time, you know, that's not a miracle. Like, you still have to watch how you're doing your hair and different manipulations. I wouldn't say that this product is a one-step approach, especially for natural hair. I feel like you need to have your hair stretched, blow dried already before you're trying to use this product. It is a little, you know, it's got some, I want you to see. Okay, so depending on different textures, you know, you do want to make sure your hair is already like brushed out, combed out before using this product. Again, you do not want to like lose any hair because you are using this product. And as you can see, there's some hair on here from when I just used it this one time. So that's something to consider. Like I said, I don't think this is a one step because you do have to blow dry your hair, like I said. But also, I did not get curls. I did not get this situation that I'm giving on this side right here. I didn't get this from this alone. I got it from rolling my hair with my silk rollers. Okay, I feel like over time my technique will improve. I did not know how to use this product, and so I feel like for not knowing how to use it, we did come out with something that was, you know, whatever. The curls are going to drop. They are. So I guess every night I will either just use these or maybe some flexi rods. But this process did not take as long as I thought it was going to take. It was actually a really quick process. It would have been even quicker if I wasn't recording. So I know that this is a good vibe. See, I like this side right here. This is really nice. So yeah, like, I really like the product. Like I said, there's some different things you have to look at, you know, as far as, you know, yeah. I feel like I curled my hair better with the larger barrel, but I did see a curl with the tighter barrel. But I really prefer this one because I don't want it to be like too curly. But I want it to have like a nice little body wave, like what I'm giving kind of like right now. So I feel like this is fine. You would definitely have to roll this up every night, and this would be a cute little style. Like, I really like this. Everything is lightweight. It, you know, looks natural. It's not weighed down or anything like that. Is it worth $15? I definitely think it's worth $15. I don't know, like, what do you think? What do you think?